Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Hassan, get ready! Incoming! Called out Imam Hussain as he kicked the ball towards his older brother. Imam Hassan caught the ball swiftly with his feet, carefully dribbling it as he darted past the opposing team, picking up speed until he caught sight of Abdullah. He looked left, right, and left again before passing the ball to Abdullah, who aimed between the two trees and kicked as hard as he could. Another player tried to snatch the ball but failed. It went past him, beyond the trees, and score! Imam Hussain and Imam Hassan cheered. Their team had won the game. Laughter filled the air as the boys cheered, grinning from ear to ear. However, this was not the only reason the two brothers and their friends were excited. It was the day before Eid, and the streets were buzzing with energy as the people of Medina prepared for the festivities. The bazaar was crowded with various vendors who were selling clothes, jewelry, fruits, and of course, freshly baked sweets. The two brothers sat below a palm tree to rest after their amazing game. As they observed the buzz of the bazaar, their good friend Abdullah joined them. "Abdullah, that was a great kick. You played well today, mashallah," Imam Hassan exclaimed. He scooted over to make some space for his friend to sit next to them. "Alhamdulillah, and you made a great pass at the perfect time to make the winning score," Abdullah responded with a big grin. "Oh, I should go. There's my mother. She had said to meet her at the bazaar. She wants to take me to a tailor to take measurements for my new outfit for Eid tomorrow. Inshallah, I will see you both at the masjid for Eid prayers." Abdullah got up and ran to meet his mother. As Imam Hussain watched Abdullah run over to his mother, he turned to his brother and asked, "Hassan, what are we wearing for Eid tomorrow?" Imam Hassan looked at his brother and said with a smile, "I'm not sure, but why don't we go home and ask Mom?" The young Imams started walking towards their home, the noise of the bazaar fading behind them. Bibi Fatima was busy preparing for the last iftar of the month of Ramadan when her sons arrived home. "Salamun alaikum, Mom," they said as they ran up to her, kissing her hand and greeting her with a hug. "Wa alaikum salam, my dear boys. How was your game?" Bibi Fatima asked. "It was great. Hassan made an amazing pass to Abdullah, who scored the winning goal," Imam Hussain responded enthusiastically. "MashaAllah, that's great. Seems like you enjoyed yourselves," Bibi Fatima said with a smile. "Mom, do you need help preparing iftar?" asked Imam Hassan. "No, thank you. You both must be tired. Why don't you two rest for a bit?" She gave them both a kiss on their foreheads. As the two brothers were leaving, Imam Hussain paused and asked his mother, "Mom, if tomorrow is Eid, will we be wearing new clothes?" Bibi Fatima looked at her beloved sons with a smile and said, "Let me talk to your father and see what we can do." Bibi Fatima knew it would be difficult to get new clothes made for Eid, as their finances were a bit tight. Regardless, she would make dua and try her best. She knew that if she placed her trust in Allah, He would ensure the best of results. Imam Ali arrived home as the two brothers were still soundly asleep. Bibi Fatima asked him about the Eid clothes. Imam Ali wasn't sure but said he would try his best. The brothers awoke with the sound of their father's voice. They rushed to give their salams to him. Imam Ali looked at his two sons and said, "This may be the last few moments before this great month of Allah comes to an end. If tomorrow is the day of Eid, that is the day Allah will reward us with the good deeds we have earned during this month, inshallah. May Allah accept our deeds. Be sure to do some extra special prayers tonight, as it is a very special night," said Bibi Fatima to her sons. "Also remember, we will start off the day tomorrow with the Eid ghusl. As we wash our bodies, we should pray to Allah to clean our souls as well. We will then join our family, friends, and fellow believers at the masjid for Eid prayers. I'm sure there will be many yummy treats to enjoy afterwards as well. The young Imam's eyes shone with excitement as they all headed to the masjid for the evening salah. Later that night, after the young Imams fell asleep, Sayyidah Fatima and Imam Ali were tidying up the house. There was a knock on the door. Imam Ali went to open it, finding a strange, tall and handsome man at the door. "Salamun alaykum, O Imam Ali," greeted the man. "Wa alaykum salam. May I help you?" replied Imam Ali. "I have come to deliver this package for our divine leaders of paradise. May Allah bless you and your family. Wassalam." "Jazakallah, thank you. May Allah's blessings be upon you as well," replied Imam Ali. Imam Ali gave Sayyidah Fatima the package that the man had given. She opened it, finding 2 beautiful outfits and 2 pairs of shoes. "These must be from your father, the Prophet of Allah. I didn't ask the tailor to sew any clothes," Imam Ali explained to Sayyidah Fatima. "Alhamdulillah," she said, smiling, happy that her 2 young sons had received new clothes for Eid. It was the day of Eid. The 2 young Imams woke up with a smile on their face, excited for Eid. They ran to find their parents to hug them. However, before they could find them, they saw 2 sets of new clothes. "Hassan, are these our new Eid clothes?" asked Imam Hussain. Before Imam Hassan could respond, they heard Sayyidah Fatima's voice behind them. "Salamun alaykum, my 2 beloved sons. Eid Mubarak. Yes, these are your new Eid clothes." "Wa alaykum salam and Eid Mubarak, Mom," the 2 Imams replied, kissing their mother's hand and giving her a huge hug. The brothers did their Eid ghusl and wore their new clothes. When they finished getting ready, they were pleasantly surprised to see their beloved grandfather, Rasulullah, talking to their parents. "Salamun alaykum, grandfather. Eid Mubarak," the 2 young Imams said enthusiastically and ran to give him a hug. "Wa alaykum salam, my dear children. Eid Mubarak, my little leaders from heaven. MashaAllah, look at your beautiful clothes," exclaimed the Prophet. He turned to Sayyidah Fatima and Imam Ali and asked, "Do you know who sent these clothes for your blessed sons?" Sayyidah Fatima's eyes grew wide in surprise. "Oh father, didn't you send these clothes for Hassan and Hussein?" she asked. "No, I didn't, my dear daughter. Someone great has sent this gift." The man who came to deliver the package was an angel named Ridwan. He visited me after he delivered the package and told me that Allah the Almighty had sent these clothes for His appointed guides, the 2 young Imams, Hassan and Hussein, because you placed your trust in Allah alone and you and your family give for His sake alone. Allah has graced you with a gift from the heavens. Sayyidah Fatima broke into a smile and immediately thanked Allah for such a divine honor. Happiness filled her heart as they walked towards the masjid, their clothes shining under the bright morning sun.